If your PC is slower than a snail, you're a frustrated techie. Let's fix that. First up, CCleaner. It cleans temporary files, manages startup programs, and fixes registry issues. Plus, it has real-time monitoring. Free version available. Next, IOBIT Advanced System Care. One-click optimization, malware removal, and RAM boosting. It even has a game booster mode. Free basic version or Go Pro for more. AVG TuneUp is a must. It has automatic maintenance, disk cleanup, and a unique sleep mode for unused apps. Available with a free trial. Ashampoo Win Optimizer is perfect for deep cleaning and privacy protection. Try it free before you buy. WiseCare 365 is lightweight and easy to use. Free up space and boost system responsiveness. Free version or upgrade to Pro. For gamers, Razer Cortex is a game changer. It optimizes resources, shuts down unnecessary processes, and boosts in-game performance. And it's free! Glare Utilities offers over 20 tools for disk space, file repair, and RAM optimization. Simple, effective, and free. Finally, Clean My PC focuses on deep cleaning, freeing up disk space, and managing browser extensions. It's paid but has a trial. Choose your tool and watch your PC fly.